Just getting the word out, letting people know that I'm here and I have a lot of capacity, and I think I can do a great job for you.
How many of my friends out there are looking for a company to help them with their medical outsourcing needs? A quality company with a history that has a good background with excellent technology, but maybe, just maybe, you haven't heard of them. Well, today I'm with my friend Matt, and we're at Adept Manufacturing and Gauging. Now, I'm going to let Matt talk a little bit about his history, where he came from, and a little bit about the company itself and the overall growth. Matt, let's talk about who you are and what you're doing here.
Well, the background that I have is pretty diverse. I started in tool and die, and then I went into aerospace for a short period of time, and then into the medical field. And during that stint, I learned a lot about what it takes to manage a company, to build a company, and I decided to take those tools and put it into my own company.
It's a great start, and doing that start, it was one man, one machine, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was rough in the beginning, but the work came, and I was able to expand, and so here we are. Got 7 machines, and it's a cool road to be on.
And as we look at these 7 machines, I see Kitamura, I see FANUC, I see another Kitamura, I see another FANUC, I see another Kitamura, I see a Tsugami, and I see a Nakamura. Now, you definitely did not skimp on investment of high technology, which I think is important for the audience to realize as well. You said to me something in the office that I thought was profound, which is why we're here today conveying this message, is you know that you have the technology, the expertise, the experience, and everything for people who are looking for those job shops that can outsource some of their smaller projects to someone like you. We just need to create awareness for you, right? We want to know who you are, and that's what you're doing today.
Yeah, correct. Just getting the word out, letting people know that I'm here and I have a lot of capacity, and I think I can do a great job for you.
And so thinking of that, we have the technology, we've mentioned it already, we have the experience, we've mentioned it already. We have to focus on medical. You are also ISO certified, are you not?
Absolutely. Yeah, it's something that I decided that was very important to continue growing, and I got it wrapped up this February, and hopefully open some doors.
That is Adept Manufacturing and Gauging, a trusted and reliable company for those of you looking to outsource some of your smaller, medium-range projects as they continue to grow. You have now the website. Thank you all for watching MTDCNC, and we will see you again soon.